Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Meta AI from Facebook. If you are not a fan of this new feature and want to remove it, then I will show you how you can do it. Step 1. Open the Facebook application and navigate to chat section. Start by opening the Facebook app and heading to your chat section. You will notice the new Facebook Meta AI feature, including the AI icon near the search bar. Now exit the Facebook application and long press on the Facebook icon. It revealed additional options. Tap on this I or info icon here and now simply tap this uninstall option and click OK to remove the Facebook app from your device. Now you have to go to your Chrome and simply search for this Facebook old version. Search for a trusted website for the Facebook APK where you can download the Facebook APK file. After this, just simply download the APK file from any trusted website. Look for the version of the Facebook APK file from around the end of March or early April, as these versions may not include the Meta AI feature. Install the Facebook APK file. After downloading the APK file, go to your downloads folder and tap on the Facebook APK file. If you uninstall Facebook, you will see an install option. Tap on it to reinstall the app. And after installing the old version of Facebook, you will notice that the Facebook Meta AI option is now removed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.